So in my game where you serve hot chocolate, I want the levels to get larger as you progress in the game. While thinking over this, however, I realized the players could run into an issue. How would they know when someone's ready to order when they appear off screen? This is when I knew I had to implement a new system like a lot of other games, where an icon or some form of UI tracks an important piece of information for the player, whether it's something like a waypoint or NPC. And so I did what any developer does and followed a YouTube tutorial. This is the one I followed, and the link to it is in the description. It works decently well, however there are a few issues when you go too far off screen. This is something I'll come back to and fix later. Next, I did some more soul searching because as much as I love this character I made, I felt the hands and big head made it feel too much like Animal Crossing. Combine that with controls and overall feel of the game, and you got yourself a case of plagiarism. So after scrolling through Twitter for a while, I found some more inspiration, which is also linked in the description, and tried my hand at a new design with a more rounded and marshmallow design, as I like to call it. But now I'm conflicted because although this new character is uniquely different from what I had, I feel like it's too much of a departure from the overall style I was going for. This model to me feels like it would fit more if I was going for an unlit renderer with gradient colors, but I want the world and overall game to feel detailed and kind of like a miniature diorama. What do you think? Should I stick with my new character, or do you like the old design better? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out my other videos to see what I've done so far, but as for the rest of you, I'll see you next week.